Question number 1. Do not use calculator for this question. So we rationalize the denominator. So multiply with the square root 7 plus 5 here. Square root 7 plus square root 5. Then is square root, but this one, okay, I will do is the square root 8 here, I will become the 2 square root 2. Square root 8 is the square root 4 times 2, then it's 2 square root 2. Then it will become the 2 square root 2 square root 7 plus square root 5 over the denominator is the 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is actually 2, and this 2 can cancel with the 2 here, so we have the square root of 14 plus square root of 10. So we can check answer using the calculator. Square root 8 divided by the square root 7 minus square root 5. So that's why they say that you cannot use calculator, because calculator will give you the answer without any calculation. So for this one, we want to compare these two. So we expand this one, then this will be the q square plus 4q square root 3 plus 4 times 3. Then this is the q square plus 12 plus the 4q square root 3 is equal with this one. So we compare the part that without square root, and we compare the part with the square root. So from here we know that the q square plus 12 is 28. Then the q square is the 28 minus 12, then is 16. So the q is plus minus square root of 16. It is plus minus 4. So when q equal to 4, then we have the p is 4 times 4. P is 4 times negative 4. 16 and negative 16. So when p is 16, q is 4. P is negative 16, q is negative 4. Okay, so this one and then this. So the 4q here. Okay. 2a, we need to show that this one can be right in the form of this. So we know that square root, this one is 824 6, 4 times 6, then it's 2 square root 6. And then no, this one is multiply, so we multiply first. So this is the square root of 24 times 27 plus the 9 square root 9 square root 30 over 15. So this one is actually equal to 2 to the power 3 times 3, 3 to the power 3. Okay, 8 times 3. So it's 2 square times 3 power 4 times 2. Then it's 2 times 3 square times square root 2. then this is 18 square root 2. 18 square root 2 plus 9 square root 2, then is 27 square root 2. So this one we cancel. Okay. Next, we want to solve the equation and then give the answer in the third form. So this one we expand, then we have the square root 3 plus square root 3x equal to 2x minus 6. So move this here, then we have the square root 3 plus 6 is the 2x minus the square root 3x. So 2 minus square root 3x is the square root 3 plus 6. So the x will be the square root 3 plus 6 and then divide by the 2 minus square root 3. So we multiply with the conjugate of the denominator to rationalize the denominator. So it will become 2 square root 3 plus 3 plus 12 plus 6 square root 3 over a square minus b square. So a square is 4 minus 3, then 4 minus 3 is actually 1. So we have the 8, no, this one is the 15 plus 8 square root 3. Then question number 3, express this one in the form of the p square root 5 plus q without using calculator. So this is the 5, wait, I will do it at the other place. So this one will be the 5 minus 6 square root 5 plus 9. Then we have the 14 minus 6 square root 5. Then we factorize the 2, 7 minus 3 square root 5. So we have the 2, 7 minus 3 square root 5. And then over the square root 5 plus 1. So we multiply with the conjugate. Then we will have the 2, 7 square root 5 minus 7 minus 3 times 5 plus 3 square root 5 over the square root 5 square is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is actually 4. So we have the 2 and then 10 square root 5 minus, so we have the 7 plus 15 is 22 over 4. So 10 divided by 2 is 5 minus 11. 5 square root 5 minus 11. Question number 4. Find integer a and b such that this one is equal to this. So we have this one. We rationalize the denominator. So this I multiply with the square root 3 minus 1. And this I multiply with the square root 3 plus 1. Then we have the a square root 3 minus a plus b square root 3 plus b over three minus 1. So this will be the a plus b square root 3 minus a plus b over 2, and this is equal to this, so we compare the coefficient. So the a plus b over 2 is 1, and the negative a plus b over 2 is the negative 3. So we have a plus b equal to 2, negative a plus b is negative 6. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So equation 1 plus equation 2, then we have 2b is negative 4, b is negative 2, and then we use the equation 1 minus equation 2, then 2a equal to 8, a equal to 4. So we have the a equal to 4, b equal to negative 2. So over here, what we do is we have the coefficient of square root 3, we compare. So a plus b over 2 is equal to 1. And then we also have the negative 3 is the constant. So it's negative a plus b over 2. This one. Next, given that z is this and z squared is this, find the value of a and b. So we know that the z is this one. Then if we want to find the z square, then we will square this one. Then we have the a square plus 2a plus 3 square root 3 plus the a plus 3 square times 3. Okay, 2a plus 3 square root 3. So over here, this is equal to this one. So we compare the terms that without the third 3. So a square plus the 3a plus 3 square is 79. Then we have the a square plus 3a square plus 6a plus 9 equal to 79. A square plus 3a square plus 18a plus 27 minus 79 equal to 0. Then we will have the 4a square plus 18a, and then we have the 27 minus 79, then it's minus 52 equal to 0. 2a square plus 9a minus 26 equal to 0. Then we do the factorization. A 2a 2 13 plus 13 minus 2. So a equal to 2, a equal to negative 13 over 2. Okay, so the question say that integer value only, so this one rejected. So we have the a equal to 2. And then so what we do just now is we compare the terms without the third 3. And now we want to compare the coefficient of the third 3. So the b is equal to the 2. A is 2. A equal to 2. So 2a plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5, 10, 20. Therefore, a equal to 2, b equal to 20. Okay.